So we're going to the bird park here. Ang ganda. So it's like that. Wow, it's my first time actually. Ang ganda siya. Maganda dito. Okay. Ito yung entrance niya. So pupunta kami sa entry and park entry para makapasok kami sa loob. Yan. Ganda. Taking a picture. So entry. Dito. So I need this fan. Yes, I need to. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. So we're going to Parrot Paradise. Ayan sila. Ang ingay niya. So we're here. Parrot Paradise. Ayan sila. How many? 2, 4, 6. Yeah, it's a purple there. Purple. So we're going to the other side. Can we? Oh, look at this, the green one. What's it, that tongue? Yeah. We're going there inside. What inside there? Come. Can I open? I thought it's a door. Oh yeah. Are you monkey?
Yes.
So this is the Parrot Paradise. Look at that. They are beautiful. Oh, what's that sound? Woo, woo, woo. So yan. Ito naman. Playtime at the Parrot Paradise. Yan. Yan siya. Parrot Paradise. Ano naman to? We can go. Bye. So look at. You can sit down also here to watch them. See, it's lonely. It's only one. Look at that.
He's not lonely.
It's only one.
That's not that parrot.
Yeah, but it's only one. Upgrading and progress. Ito walang ano. So, ayan na. What is it in there? It's nothing there. Ayan. Ito. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at that. They have 3. There are 2 there. What is this? Salmon. Crusted.
The one that looks like this is.
Yeah, it's there, the other one. So, oh, they have a lot here. This one's big. Hey, how are you? How are you? How are you? No, don't feed. Yeah. Very good. And 1, 3. Yeah.
He's stuck.
It's dramatic. Are you stuck?
Yes.
Oh, it's not.
Yes.
Oh,
He's
look at
just
that.
trying to get out.
Oh my god.
You can do it, little buddy.
Oh my god. You help. Need help, like. Bye. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Okay, let's go.
Come, it's this side. You cannot go in. It's only stuff going inside. Anka. So look at this. Parrot. Oh. Alright, Lexi. She's all out of camera. Oh, look at this. Wow. They're so cute.
Tita, do you need a bandage for your finger?
No. Hey, look at it, Lexi. Is it a bird, that one?
Yeah, that is a bird.
No, that, I know it's not a bird. The other one. I know.
It's
Let's go.
good inside
Can you read?
the London,
Illegal
the illegal hat red.
tree. Yes. So we're going